So guys, I know it looks bad and I know I probably shouldn't have my Christmas tree still up, but let's just take it down together. This isn't the only tree I've got to take down. I'll show you the other one. So this is the other one, so it's not as bad because it's a little bit smaller. And then this is just the big one, so there's a couple decorations to take down. We need to get rid of this. So I think I'm just going to start with this tree first. I've got a bag ready. I'm going to put on some music just to motivate me. Alexa, play a bit of Zara Larsson, because I just feel like you need a bit of Zara. I hate taking down trees. Maybe I'll just but to be fair, we got majority, not even majority, that's such a lie, but we've got actually some town, so it's not going to take me that long. Guys, I can't take this one bulb off. There we go. Finally. So the reason why my Christmas tree isn't actually taken down yet, I do work, I promise. I quite like it, to be fair. I quite like having the lights on in the evening, but also I just haven't actually been bothered. I just hate decorating trees in general. No, I don't mind decorating, it's taking it down, it's the lights. Trying to unravel the lights does my head in. So it's just not fun, If I could have it my way, I would literally just have a tree which was just decorated for me, you know. To be fair, I would much rather just buy a new tree and bin this. I'm already bored. So we're already on our second bag for decorations. Like you can see, there's just like these all just dotted around the tree. I think that is all. But I can't do it, I can't. So this one's got no lights. Come, shove that over there. If they get tangled, that's next year's. Well, different day, different problem. Just get a bloody tree.